Hey friends, Lucian here at the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to make this video here for the watch list tomorrow, August 4th, which is Friday. But before we get started, I have some kind of exciting news here for you guys here. What we're going to end up doing for you guys here now, I'm going to open up trade ideas here for a second, is I'm going to start posting the trade ideas options watch list at night. So what happens, in the market with the options, I'm going to start posting that at night. Guys, if you are not familiar with trade ideas, it's hands down the best stock scanner that's out there. As you can see, there is so much that you can do within trade ideas. And every morning on our Facebook fan page, if you go over to, where is it here? I have so many different, here we go. If you go over here to our fan page, if you haven't liked our fan page or you're not following us yet, make sure you come down here to like and follow us, because every day we post the trade ideas watch list in the pre-market watch list down here. It is cool. So every morning by 9 o'clock we post the watch list. So when you're listening to this video now, I'm making the nightly watch list. So I'm doing stocks that have held their highs for the day, and I'm sending you guys a watch list that you can kind of look at things at night and prepare for the next morning. Then in the morning, things can be completely different. And that's where, again, because it's all about news, and news happens in the morning, and news can happen after hours. So then in the morning, you have this watch list here, and you want to coordinate this watch list with the one that we do at night based upon whatever trades that you're going to decide to make. Now, that's for day trading, whether you're doing longing or shorting. Now, a lot of people think, oh, trade ideas, hey, that's great. It looks like an awesome scanner, but I'm not a day trader. Well, trade ideas has, again, so much to offer. They have just a specific tab. Never mind, if you look down here, there's pre-market movers, stocks that are surging up, volume, trading the gap, sectors, marijuana, biotechs, fundamentals, penny stock movers, all of this stuff. They also have an options tab. Now, before I go into the options tab, you can also say to yourself, well, why would I want trade ideas if you send out the pre-market watch list every day? I could just go off of that. And I would say, absolutely use it if you're on a budget. So let's take a step back. If you're on a budget, you don't have much money, and you're trying to scale up and get ready, to make some money in the market before you can afford tools, then just use our pre-market watch list. Use some free scanners that are out there. That's totally fine. But here's the other thing. Just because we send out a nightly watch list and then a pre-market watch list, there are stocks that move when the market opens that might not even be on the watch list. And that's why having trade ideas, there's so many different scans that you can have set up within trade ideas that you could literally see, like stocks that are moving up, moving down, reversals. You can customize these screens however you'd like them. So when you take the watch list at night and the one in the morning, you might be watching those and they might not do what you're looking for them to do, but then all of a sudden stocks will start popping up right in front of you. And that's why having a live scanner such as trade ideas is very important, because it's hands down, it's the best scanner that's out there. Again, if you don't have the money, don't worry about it. Wait till you can afford it, and then get it. But we highly suggest, once you do have the money and you're looking to be a good trader, again, I'm showing you for day trading, and I'm going to show you options in a second. This scanner is it's absolutely incredible. And we do have a community discount of 15%. The promo code is BullishBears15 in capital letters. And the affiliate link and promo code will be below in the video. We appreciate it if you purchase from us, because, it helps our community and helps us continue to grow. So if you're day trading, this tool is absolutely incredible to find real-time plays. So now, when you click on options, here's a whole other thing for options as well. So a lot of people think, oh, it's just, hey, it's great for day trading. Well, not so fast, because it's absolutely incredible for options. You can see right here, you'll see options volume plays here, like that, happened towards the end of the day. You can go to, again, you can customize this all basically however you would like. I don't do myself a lot of options. Tim and Dan do. I do most of the day trading. But look at this. These are just things that these stocks, the information here, you can go and you can see the call volume today, the put call ratio, the options volume percentage, go in and sort it the way you'd like, and kind of just, again, on all just options itself. You can see over here, somebody knows something. There's just a whole bunch of stuff that you can do. So what I'm going to start doing is posting the options, I'm going to go in here and just start posting maybe at night, sending the options, what's happened for options during the day, see what's going on, so you can actually take a look at these and kind of coordinate them. Now, the same thing goes for you options traders. Having a live market scanner, just because something's on here right now doesn't mean that tomorrow something else won't be on there. So, when the market opens, all of these things change tomorrow. So having a live option scanner helps you as well. So just the way I have it sent out every day for pre-market for doing day trading, the whole same thing goes with options as well. So again, this whole trade ideas is so intricate. You can pretty much set it up the way you'd like it, but it's absolutely incredible. So again, if you want to try out trade ideas, it doesn't matter whether you're a day trader, an options trader, a long-term trader. It's got everything built in, and you can go in and really customize these things pretty much the way you'd like it. So again, just wanted to show you trade ideas because it is hands down our favorite scanner. We could not trade without it. And again, so basically, again, make sure you like and follow our fan page so you can stay up to date on things. A couple other, or actually, so you get the watch list every morning and then stay up to date with us. And then on our website again, take our courses if you haven't already. Subscribe to our watch list right over here so you can receive these by email because we send out the nightly one by email. We don't post that in the group. And last but not least, we are a contribution-based community. We do all this stuff for free for our community. Ideally, guys, we want to make sure, we ideally don't want to charge membership fees down the road. So as we grow, we are putting all this content out for free. We ideally don't want to charge down the road. So we do rely heavily on the contributions of our community members. And the tools that we send out, they all cost money. So again, it's not to just fund us per se, but it's more of like, trade ideas itself, it's a $100 tool a month. Obviously, I think you save like 15% off of that. But if we're posting this stuff for free every day for you guys, in return, we're just looking, hey, contribute $10 or contribute $10, 10 or 20 bucks a month. If you can't afford $100 a month for trade ideas, but you pitch in 10 or 15 bucks a month to help us grow as a community, then that'll prevent us down the road from having to charge, monthly, charges, for membership. Because obviously, if you look around, you guys know again, we have our trade room up here with a few hundred people in there. People are not offering trade rooms and courses and all of this stuff for free like we're doing. So again, we want to keep it that way, but we rely heavily on your contribution. So if you purchase trade ideas from us, it helps us to grow as a community. We appreciate that. Our affiliate link is below. If you do want to contribute monthly to us, 10, 15, 20 bucks a month just to help us grow, we appreciate that as well. So just head over to our website and you'll catch all the stuff over there. So now that I've gone over my rant there, let's go and do the watch list. Sorry, it's easy kind of to catch you guys, because our community is, it's growing, which is awesome, but it's hard to sometimes get our voice out to you guys because we have so many people joining our community on a daily basis. So we figure we put the stuff in the videos to kind of, keep you up to date on things. So we're searching for stocks minimum 30 cents to $30, minimum 500,000 shares with a 5% increase on the day. And so let's go on over here and start with LBUY. We're looking for stocks that held their highs, that have volume. So this one is interesting. Potentially look right here for a potentially, the stock may want to go up and towards filling the gap, but who knows? You can see it's been trading pretty much completely sideways here, and then you're getting this spike up in volume. So I'm going to, looks like marijuana, of course. These things are all pumping. They're crazy pump pump companies. So keep an eye on this one, LBUY. And let me go over to Interactive Brokers. Let me do this and cancel out of trade ideas because of those screens that are up right now. There we go. X out of it. All right, so let me put LBUY over here. And it's not shortable. I don't think I'll just keep it on there for now. OMED, that one held its highs. Not a lot of volume though. So let's take a look here. Yeah, I like stocks that hold their highs, but I want more volume, so I'm not going to do that one. SEDG, that one held its highs, has some volume to it. Keep an eye on this one. It's pretty much at its yearly highs. Might go up a little bit. It is at a whole dollar amount, so that maybe there might be a pullback. So just keep an eye on it. OSUR, yes, that one held its highs. Had some volume. Again, another one at yearly highs. So be careful of these ones. Watch them to go up potentially further, or watch them for pullbacks, either puts or shorting. Again, you got to watch the technicals. AYX, another one. It's got some volume. Careful of this doji candle right up here. This resistance level 2314. So keep an eye on it, see if it goes up and it can break it, but those doji candles, it's definitely some indecision. AYX, let's go to FIT. FIT, that one held its highs, had some good volume, or had some volume to it. Keep an eye out up here. This one has some room to potentially run a little bit, so I will put that one on. MICT. And don't really like that one. It went up and look, it just pulls right, gets rejected right by the 200 SMA and then falls right back down. So, but, yeah, no, I don't like it. PIXY, some resistance right there, right around $6. It's kind of fading a little bit. Don't like it. PACB, that one held its highs, had some volume. It's moving up. Potentially, look right up here, right around that 200 SMA. A potential might, at some point, may want to go and fill that gap. You don't know. It's still got to clear this area kind of right in here and see if it wants to go up. So this one I will definitely put on the watch list. CHFS, kind of choppy. NCMI, yep, that one will go. Careful, some resistance right here in these areas here. So I will put that one. NCMI. Might put that over here. So if you've been watching my videos recently, I'll show you, I kind of have another multi-screen setup. So I'll put something down here and then I'll look in the morning and see if I decide keeping it. But that's kind of how I watch stuff over here. So I have a few screens set up. So sometimes I'll put something on over there so I don't forget it in the morning, and then I might remove it or something in the morning depending on what's happening. ESIO, no, don't like it. I mean, it went up and kind of went down. So that's careful. You got to watch these ones that just skyrocket pre-market and then they just, boom, they crash when the market opens. That's where shorting is very helpful. FORM, yep, held its highs. Doji candle, so be careful. See if it can go up past this area here, right at that 1470, see if it can go up. But I will put that one on the watch list. CAPR, kind of choppy. Let me see. You can see I had some areas marked here. I don't like it. Do I like it? No. I don't think I like it. Let me just say. Do I like it? I mean, right up. It does have some potential room to move and go up. Just careful of these areas that it keeps rejecting here. So see what it does right above this 166 marker. See if it goes up and then rejects back down. I don't think. Let me say. Interactive Brokers has not had shares to short of this. I don't like it. I'm sorry, I'm not going to put it on. If you want to put it on, you can. Lee, don't like it. Not enough volume. Too choppy. AEZS. It's got some volume. It's got to see if it can get over that 13 EMA there, right around that 189 marker. If it can and go up, it does have some potential room to move. So let me put it right there, that 189, and then watch out for some resistance right there at the 200 SMA. It did fill the gap already, so just keep an eye on that. That's one to definitely watch. AEZS. I'm not sure. I don't think Indirect. I can't remember if they had shares to short of this. I guess it is shortable. Okay. Cool. Again, I like to ideally play stocks that you can trade up or down. That's just my preference. So you'll see right up here some resistance at a $18 mark, right at that 50 SMA. But it held its highs, had some volume, so just be aware of that. HZO. AGI. So let's see here. Has some volume. I mean, it has some potential. Has some potential room to move up a little bit. Kind of held its highs a little. So yeah, I'll put that on the watch list. Again, no guarantees what's going to happen tomorrow. MBVX, too choppy. Don't like it. MGNX, yes, held its high, had some volume. Careful right here at that 1686. That's a 13 EMA, and 1792, or that area there, is the 50 SMA. So it's got some overhead resistance. So careful. See if those areas can break above. If not, potentially short or a put. So I will put that one to be able to play either way. All right. ETX. That one held its highs. Not much volume though, so I'm not going to put that one on. HIIQ. Yeah, careful. It's at the yearly highs up here. Just keep careful this one. Watch it. I don't know. It's over $30, so I'm not going to put it on. But, you know, if you want to watch it, keep an eye on this for you options traders. I'm not going to put it on the watch list. But, you know, see if it could break 30, 50. If not, you know, shorter or potentially buy a put. Just do your own research on that one. LGCY. Not enough volume, kind of choppy. EDIT held its highs, has some volume. Right, careful that that 200 SMA right around $18. So watch out for that one. EDIT. ANGI. No, I don't like that one. CHGG. Kind of went up, kind of traded sideways. You see some of that resistance at 1595. Got rejected, started to fall down. So, you know, again, doesn't mean don't play them. I'm just not going to put it on the watch list, but, you know, keep an eye on that one. RTTR, too choppy. PKD, too choppy. FTK. Man, that one's all over the place. Don't love it. MITK. Held its highs, has not a lot of volume though. I'd like to have more volume than that. I don't like those crazy candlesticks either. CCRN, Doji candle, I don't like it. MULE, man, that one's really all up and down today. And it did kind of finish kind of up there, so. Although, I don't really love it, so I'm not going to put it on. PES, there's a lot of potential plays here today, so I don't want to jump below the watch list. RIG, not going to put that one on the watch list either. RWLK, just because I don't put something on doesn't mean you shouldn't. It's just all a matter of what kind of trader you are. $25, it's right there. That's a great one to watch, to play. See if you can break 25 or buy a put or short it on the way down. So that's one that's definitely interesting to watch. LACDF, nope. HSC, not a lot of volume. INAP, yeah, that one. Yeah, I'll put that one on there and look at 426. See right around there. See if it can go up or break the yearly highs. If not, it might be a potential short. SYN, kind of a little too choppy. SHLD, right around the 861 marker, and then that 948, that 200 SMA is in the way a little bit. Did kind of hold its eye, so I'll put that on the watch list. SHLD. ARRS, don't love it. CORT. Did I go over these? There's some, no, I guess not. CORT, 1463. It's at the yearly high. Let's see here. Again, when it gets up like this, it's right towards the yearly highs. Watch it. It's one to potentially play either way. It did kind of hold its highs, and it's at its yearly high, so I'll put that on the watch list. CORT. MVIS. Don't love it. INOV. No. DVAX. Wow, that had some craziness going on. This one I'll put on because it's got a lot going on right here. Right at the yearly highs. Watch this, see if it breaks. If not, short it or buy a put on it. DVAX. AVIR. Nope. ALIM. Nope. FOSL. I don't love it. I'm not really loving a lot of these today, to be honest with you. MBRX, kind of. This is one to watch. I don't love it. So, guys, this is the whole importance of having a scanner. So again, today's watch list, I didn't really love any of these. I didn't even really put anything on something like, I didn't even put anything really on my interactive brokers one. I just didn't really love any of this today. And that's why scanners are so important. And Trade Ideas is awesome. So again, if you're on a budget, use the ones that we have set up here. Use our nightly watch list, coincide it with the one that we post over here on our fan page every morning. So you can just kind of, if you're just looking to do day trading and you want to use our watch list, stuff like that, absolutely, it's great. You can do it that way. But if you want real live market scanners, there's no way to really survive without having a really good live market scanner. And Trade Ideas, again, is hands down the best scanner that's out there. So our affiliate link is below. Make sure you input the Bullish Bears 15 in all capital letters promo code so you get your 15% discount. And, purchasing from us does get us some money that we can help continuously grow the community. So instead of paying a membership cost, your purchase of Trade Ideas will give us some commissions that will help continuously grow the community. If you can't purchase Trade Ideas, you don't have, you're on a budget, again, you can come over to our website and just contribute $10 a month or $20 a month, just something small. Just again, there's Tim, Dan, and myself. We're all partners, families. We have expenses just like everybody else. So obviously we're growing huge as a company, and we could charge membership fees. But ideally, we don't want to do that. We want to be different than anybody else. So whatever money we make, split between the three of us. It's it's not a lot when you really think about it. You need to get tons of money to be able to do this, all three of us, full time. So rather than charging membership fees, if everybody just contributes a little bit of money here and there, as we continue to grow, we can ideally keep everything a contribution-based community, which is what we would like to do. If you like our merchandise, you can buy our merchandise over here. We have a great store where you click on this over here, and you can come down here. We have ladies apparel, men's apparel, kids apparel, hats, zip up hoodies, all really good stuff. So we have really good quality. I spent so much time putting that together. It's crazy. So, again, come over here. We have so much to offer, and take our courses. Make sure, if you need more training, you can check it out over here. And, last but not least, subscribe to our YouTube. And guys, look at all this content here with all of our playlists, with all this free content. Again, we're not charging. We're trying to be different. We want to help you guys. But again, we have expenses just like everybody else. So any contributions helps us to continuously grow as a community. So hopefully this video helped you guys. Happy trading tomorrow, and I'll see you later. Bye.